we've got to get it up to near red heat. You want it so that when you touch the silver solder onto the metal, it just melts straight away. It follows all the cracks, it sucks in using capillary action into all the gaps. So a little bit on this side and it will suck through to the other side. So the trick of the trade is to get the metal hot enough so that just the moment you touch it, the silver solder wants to run.
So exactly the same thing as normal soldering?
Yeah.
But with a blowtorch?
Yeah. Yeah, that's right, because a lot of people don't do that, do they?
No.
They put the solder on and the metal's not hot enough for the solder to actually
put it onto the iron and then use the iron to put it onto the wire, and it's like, no, it's not how you do it.
And it's the same thing with this. You want to get it nice and hot first.
And instead of having flux wire, you can just go straight on the solder.
Right up the top. There's another one of these jigs. I made 2 of these jigs for holding it all together. But if you just watch, it takes a little bit of a while with this gas torch to get it up to hot enough. But it does get hot enough. Because I'm not too keen on using oxyacetylene for this process because the flame's far too hot, so it's easy to make a mistake. Now we must be getting close now on this end. If you have a look, see, that's not hot enough yet. The thing about brass is it's a really good conductor of heat, so you end up getting the whole of it really hot before the bit that you want to silver solder gets hot. Again, not quite hot enough yet. She's very close. The other thing we're going to do is get some fire bricks, because if you build a chamber with fire bricks, the heat doesn't escape. See, that's close, just not quite there. Was it? Probably. It was fine yesterday morning. If you have a look now, that little dot of solder has flowed around and some of it's made it to the bottom. I'll show you again, yeah? Watch. It's going to get smaller and it's flowing round to the bottom. See? And now we need to get this nice and hot. Yeah, you only need a bit of silver solder, about a centimetre length.
He was putting shit loads in it. Yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, he used best part of half a rod.
Really?
Yeah. It ain't cheap.
Jesus. Nobody needs that much silver solder. Obviously hated it.
That's nearly hot enough now. See? There you go. That's all you need. Leave it to cool. The other holder's in the room. You don't need much. You only need about